We're on YouTube and I am back. We are back with another vlog. So today I actually be, I guess going to Florida for the first time. It will actually be, I guess, a road trip. And from here, which is Georgia, to there, it should be around, I guess, 5 hours, 6 hours, I guess, depending on traffic and how things flow. But I wasn't sure of if I was going. I didn't know I was going. I'm not even going to get into that right now, but basically it will just be, I guess, a weekend trip because we're leaving Friday and we should come back Monday. So I had already started packing my suitcase, my carry-on suitcase, which is the one that I would have probably carried. But seeing that I already started to pack it, I really don't want to unpack it. Like when I look at some of the things and that I packed in there neatly, I'm like, these are not typical clothes that I would want to wear. So I have my school bag with me, which is my personal items. So I'm going to just kind of shop some things in that and just call it a day. I'm trying to download some YouTube videos that I can watch in the meantime while I am on this trip. Yeah, it's been a little bit more difficult, but I'm getting some. And I'm just make it work. So I'm gonna make sure that my phone is charged up because I want to be vlogging and watching those stuff. Plus I need, oh god, I don't even have that much space on my phone. I'm gonna make sure it's clean. Oh no, the videos that I've been downloading is taking up some of the space. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna show you the journey there. I don't know if I'm gonna get to do anything, to be very honest. Maybe I just probably see Florida house, I don't know. But anything can happen, I guess. So let's see.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. Oh,
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way. Because knock it till the morning light. We like to party. Hey, hey.
Okay, so I'm just giving y'all a quick update. So yeah, as you can see, I'm in a room. So we reached probably a little over an hour. Yeah, I would say over an hour, probably almost 2 hours now. And yeah, I showered and I'm just here lying down now, watching my laptop per usual till I fall asleep. And I guess tomorrow I'll give you guys more of an update. I guess I really don't think I'm gonna get to do anything much, but I think I'm gonna probably try to walk the community because I want to fast a little. But yeah. Okay guys, so I am outdoor. So I really don't think I'm going to get to really see the place. So I was thinking about just probably walking the community a little bit to just see what's what. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know. I don't know. But I can't deal with the AC, man. I'm kind of tired. I like it. Always freaking cool. And I'm in a Jamaican with a clothes. Like, if I'm in, and it's not like I walked with a lot of, I guess, comforting things. I was going to be here for a few days. So, yeah. I guess, maybe what, little bit if you know, see how the community stay, I guess. But, and Saturday nights, you come down here for cut one tree, so pretty much that's what I go on. You have working. Let's do this. Okay. Is that like a park? Yeah, it seems like it's a park down there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I must have been in Florida, you know. I'm not alligator near me, you know. I'm trying not to go too close to right there. So, alright, there's a park down there. I'm not try for walk too far. Yeah, I don't want nothing to eat me. Oh, lizards. Yeah, that's about this life. Yeah, and that's a big ass pond. I feel like alligators live over there. I'm not so sure how wise it is to have a park so close by, but yeah, I'm gonna walk down to the park and get my ass back in the house. I just can't deal with the AC. Mm-mm. Yeah, not about the Crocs. All right, so I guess this is like a Florida community tour ish. Yeah. Uh-oh, it feels like rain. Yeah. Oh no, it is rain. I have to go back inside. Jesus Christ. The one time I said I come outside for walk, I actually stretch my legs and just sit the place. Yeah. You know, I'm going to venture at the park here one next day. But now I stay out in the rain. All guys coming to tour, cut short, cut cross and go back inside. Alright, so guys, I don't even have no pockets. Let's go inside. We'll go on some people property. Oh crap, this just sucks on a whole nother level. I'm in the rain. Why do I always end up in the rain? This is the second freaking time. What the think that bird? Ooh, and it's hard. Oh god, I'm gonna have to run inside. Damn it. Probably tomorrow y'all get a next tour. Or yeah, this just mountain. Huh. Ah, shit. So that rain pretty much messed with me. I think it's kind of finished, but still outside feeling warm now, and it's still drizzling. So I may attempt it again later. It's still earlier or tomorrow. Really? I'm just looking at crap right there. And of course, he just left it right there. Nasty. Yeah. I don't know why, but I really like this half bathroom. I think it's a nice layout, although this should be like the general layout of a half bathroom. But yeah, I don't know if it's the color, so I like orange and brown. I like brown, but just like this half bathroom for some reason. Yeah. Hey guys, so sitting on this couch actually was the highlight of my entire trip. Like, sitting on this couch was really comfortable, getting fed with a bunch of tasty snacks and being able to watch TV. Sadly enough, this was the highlight of my Florida trip, but it was still a good trip, to be honest.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on this life. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight. All this jewelry ain't no use when